Alright, in this video, we can check whether by the groups, by the grouping variables, we can see whether those two groups have different means. I mean, the population level, even though we have the sample data, we can estimate and we can use the inferential statistics whether those two means are statistically significantly different or not. So before in our video, we recorded the education variable as below BA or over BA. And maybe we can compare this variable as the independent variable, saying that higher than BA and maybe below the BA, they would have the different income level. We can use the analyze, go to compare means and independent sample t-test because we are comparing two groups. So independent sample t-test here, the grouping variable is the BA. So we created this variable in the previous video. So re-education BA. So you can type it very quickly. Okay, so grouping variable in here. And we already know that the first category is the below BA and the second category is the over BA. So we can define the groups as 1 and 2 because we already coded those variables as using the attributes as 1 and 2. And then I use the con RINC. So this is the variable of income in constant dollars. And option, maybe we can change it later, but we are using the 95%. Okay, and then we can click OK, enlarging this window. So in this example, we can see that the below BA and the over BA, we can see the mean income level. So below BA, you can see $26,000 averagely. And over BA, you can see $53,000 averagely. Even though the standard deviation is bigger on the over BA degree level, so it means that there is more diversity or variability in the over BA, but still we can see the higher income level in the over BA in averagely. And you can go to the equal variance assumed because we always assume that those two groups have the equal variances. And then you can go to T. So, and then you can see the significance level. As I told you in the previous video, if the p-value, I mean the significance value, or to tell p-value is below 0.05, it means that there is statistically significant difference between the below BA and over BA in the level of income. So in terms of the mean income level, we can see those two education groups are statistically significantly different from each other, right? And maybe you can use other variables, other continuous variables using this one. There are very limited number of the continuous variables, but you can use income variable and education level and days of the mental health, the bad mental health, like that. And so let's suppose that you are trying to find a variable, and so you'd like to use a variable. So you can use this binocular, and then you can use the health. So maybe you can try to check whether this variable is continuous or metric or not. Missing work for health past 30 days. So missed work is the variable checking or capturing. They are missing the working days because of the bad health condition. So we are not sure that the bad health condition is caused by the physical health or mental health, but this is the indicator that we can capture the very vague or rough level of the health of that individual. So missed work is here. Missed work is here. And then close, analyze, and compare means and independent sample t-test. So we already have the education level, so maybe you don't need to change it. And the missed work. Okay, So missed work is come here. Alright. And okay. Alright. So below BA, alright. So mean days. So around within 30 days, 0.9, so less than 1 day. So even though less than 1 day, we can compare the average level. So averagely, they miss their work around 0.9 days in the last 30 months. So in last year, maybe if you multiply 12, or maybe you can calculate whether in last year they missed some days of the working because of the health condition. But in this time, we can compare the mean level. So averagely, below BA, they miss their work around 0.9 days, and over BA, they miss their work averagely 0.53 days. So we can see the main differences. We can see the below BA, they are more likely to miss work because of the health condition. The education level impacts on their health condition, and then their differentiated health condition can impact the days of the missing because of the health condition. And we are also assuming the equal variances, and maybe large here. And then equal variances T and the significance level. So we can see there is a statistically significant difference between the below BA and over BA group in terms of the missing their work because of their health condition. So in this way, we can compare those two groups in terms of the mean differences of those two groups. So you can use your independent variable as dichotomous variable, and you can use your metric variable as your dependent variable to compare whether there is the mean difference between those two groups. Alright, thank you for watching this video, and good luck in your level assignment 5.